Hello everyone, my name is Omar Logano and welcome back to 5-Star Painting in Huntsville Secrets of the Trade. Preparing a room for a professional paint job requires much more than just removing outlet covers, laying a drop cloth, and removing furniture. Now for a truly professional look, prep work may take long or longer than actually painting the room. Rushing or skipping this part of the painting room is the most common DIY mistakes. Be careful with that one. Now, there are many different steps that go into prepping a room for paint. 5-Star Painting has outlined these steps below to help you on your next DIY project. So here we go. Let's dive in. How to paint a room like a professional. First, let's talk about the conditions. The condition of the room will determine different preparation techniques. If the room is finished, is there flooring installed? Is there HVAC? These factors and more will determine the preparation techniques. So, for unfinished rooms during construction or remodel, you won't have to mask or cover as much. Now, finished rooms will require more prep work to protect items from paint. If the room is not conditioned, you'll need to figure out how to heat or cool the room to help the paint cure properly. Thanks for watching Secrets of the Trade with 5-Star Painting in Huntsville. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends those painting tips your friends are going to love and enjoy. Thanks again and stay tuned for the next videos.